Hello everyone! Today's screencast is going to show you how to use Hoopla as a first-time user. The first step is to go to hoopladigital.com, which I've highlighted here. Once you're on this website, this is what the homepage will look like. The next step is to click here, Getting Started Today. You're first going to want to sign up and put in your information. The next step is to choose your library. For your library card number, and then click Sign Me Up. Patrons are allowed to borrow up to 6 titles each month. The library offers audiobook, movies, music, comics, ebooks, and television titles.